Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abhishek and today we'll see the output of one program in which we'll return the value of two variables, and let's see will it give a compilation error or what will happen, which value it will return if there will be no compilation error. So let's make a method int m1 and we are passing two values here. Let's change the value of a here. Let's double the value of a and double the value of b as well. B equals speed 2. Now simply just let's return the value of a and then return the value of b. Okay, and now in the main function let's define a variable x which will call this method, and it will get the value as the function is returning some integer value. So let's pass 3 comma 4 here. Okay, and now let's simply print this value, printf, and let's say %d and simply. Okay, so now let's see will it give a compilation error as we are giving two return statements here, or it will compile, or if it will compile, which value will it give. Let's see. So you can see the output is 6. It's giving some warning, set declaration of function m1. Okay, we will define this function here. Let's say int m1, then we can simply say int comma int. Okay, now let's execute it. The warning will be removed now. Yeah, so the output is 6, you can see here. Okay, let me zoom it a bit. The output is 6. So now what is happening is the value of 3 is going inside a, and a is getting double its value. The value of a is getting doubled, so the value of a will become 6, and we are simply returning a. So the value of a will go inside the value of x, and simply the output is 6. So that means that this value is not being executed. Now if we'll write return b and then we say return a, it does not matter where there are how many number of return statements are there. We can have any number of return statements, only the first statement will get executed. Okay, as you can see I have taken a lot of return statements here. Okay, so now let's execute this program. Simply the value of b will be returned. Now you can see 8. Why the output is 8? We are sending the value as 4 and the value of b is getting doubled, so it is 8, and simply it is returning the value of b. Okay, now if I say return b into 5, it will simply print as 40. Okay, so this was a quick video guys to check that if we have two or more return statements, what will be the output. So that's it from this video guys. Subscribe to my channel, like my video if you liked it, and do share and subscribe. So take care, bye bye.